an 8-game losing streak at the Amway Center. And that's a 3 by Ross, and he's made it a 1-point game.
He is just a tough cover.
In the open floor. Ross open for 3. Oh, it's time to heat things up a little bit in Indiana for the Human Torch, Terrence Ross.
Flame on, baby.
1-point game. Terrence Ross down the middle. Finger rolls it in, and the foul on Indiana. What a remarkable move by T. Ross.
T. Ross kind of stretching out here. Little hop. This one again, kind of leaps, stretches, able to get his balance and get that 1 foot down.
Is sweet.
This is amazing not to have a travel there.
Ross has pushed the Magic back into the lead, and his free throw makes it a 100-98 Magic lead. Ross, long 2. He drills it.
Good decision.
Yes, the limit now. Ross. He drops the hammer. T. Ross putting on a show here in the fourth quarter. A little bit of everything by the Human Torch.
T-Flight 31, you are clear for takeoff.
He has been spectacular in this fourth quarter. All-star going at it. Out to Ross. He draws the foul. Wes Matthews reached in. 3 free throws are coming for Terrence Ross. 4-point game, 111-107. Ross with an opportunity to shoot 3. He's been fouled 22 times while shooting a 3.
Get fouled that many times simply because
Terrence 3 out of 3 at the line.
Yeah, this is a lot of fun, man. I mean, I can only imagine what playoffs will be like. So, we keep playing like this and we'll get there.